Hey guys, welcome back to English with Ali. Today we are doing Chapter 1, Lesson 2 of this textbook. You guys ready to do it? Let's go! Our tongue twister today is red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Yes. You need to say it 3 times. So let's hear it slowly. Red blood, bad blood. Very good. Now you need to say it 빨리, quickly. So practice saying it quickly. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. Red blood, bad blood. How about we move on to our next part? Let's look at our key expressions from last week. Do you remember what they are? So we're asking our friend Katie. Katie, how have you been? Very good. What does Katie say? She's going, so what does that mean? I've been good. What question does she ask? How's everything? How is everything? Ooh. What can the cat say back? So. But 왜? Why? 왜? So. I. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, cold. So we need 동사. I have what? A bad cold. Very good. Today's key expression has 2 parts. Our first one is good news. I won a gold medal. I'm happy to hear that. But we also have bad news. My dog ran away. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's look at some 동사 that we will need for this lesson. So for this key expression, you need to conjugate. We need to change our verb from play to, what is it? Played. Drop to dropped. Watch, watched. Yes, we add an ed. What about this one? Listen to listened. Very good. So when you tell people the news, you would say, I played a fun game. I dropped my iPhone. I watched Avengers Endgame. So you would tell them the news in the past tense. But the past tense is irregular. So here are some verbs you need to remember. So we have run, but in the past tense, it is ran. My dog ran away. Win, what does that change to? To won. I won a gold medal. Buy is bought. Have, I had. Go is went. So I went to the beach. I had a competition. I bought a new phone. Do you understand? I hope so. Let's look at examples. Let's look at our first example. Timmy, you look... What would we say? Timmy, you look happy. What did Timmy say? We need our 동사, but it needs to be past tense. So he's happy. So do you think he dropped a new phone? No, that would be sad. Did he buy a new phone? Very close. We need to have the 동사 in the past tense. So I bought a new phone. This is good news. So what would the dog say? I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. Awesome. Let's look at another example. Louise, you look... What does she look like? You look upset. Upset means sad. Upset, sad. Oh, what do you think happened? So you see arm, dropped, bought, I broke my arm, and now this one, different 동사. Is it going to be doing, playing, or running? We would say playing basketball. I broke, this is the broke 동사, past tense. Playing basketball. I broke my wrist playing basketball. And what would the cat say back? I'm not sad, close. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, are you ready for a game? Let's play Space Explorer. Okay, let's play Space Explorer. Very easy. You just need a notebook and a pen. How do you play? You need to write down one sentence. One sentence. You can earn 2 points. You can earn 1 point. Or you can lose a point. Are you ready to play? Let's do it. Our first one. Jane, you look happy. Tom, you look upset. Bill, you look excited. So remember, you need to write down one. Pick one. Are you done writing? Let's look at the answers together. Jane, you look happy. 2 points. Tom, you look upset. 1 point. Bill, you look excited. Ooh, minus a point. I have 2 points. Let's do another one. I came in first in the race. I played well. I broke my arm. You need to write down one. Are you ready to look at the answers? Let's look at them together. I came in first in the race. 1 point, nice. I played well. Ooh, -1. I broke my arm. +2. Okay, so right now I have 1 point. Let's do another one. Okay, it's only 2 options. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. Write down 1. Are you ready to see the answers? Let's look together. I'm sorry to hear that. Ooh, +2, lucky. I'm happy to hear that. -1. I have 0 points. Gong. Let's look at another one. Ooh, these look a little different. Okay. Leanne, what's in the blank? You look stressed. Alice, you look sad. Spencer, you look excited. So you need to write down 1 and fill in the blank of our key expression. Okay, let's look at them together. I listened to a great song. -1 point. I bought a new bike. 2 points. I had a fight with my friend. 1 point. Very good. I now have 4 points. How are you doing? Let's look at the next one. Okay, our key expression. I'm sorry to listen. I'm sorry to hear that. Or I'm happy to hear that. Write down 1. Are you ready to look at the answer? I'm sorry to hear that. -1. I'm happy to hear that. +2. Good job. Let's look at another one. May, you look happy. Patty, you look upset. Jake, you look tired. Write down 1. May, you look happy. Yes, 2 points. Patty, you look upset. 1 point. Jake, you look tired. 1 point. Very nice. Let's look at another. Okay, your 동사 again. Let's look at them together. I watched a great movie. Oh, nice. 1 point. I lost my textbook. 2 points. I broke my iPhone, my new iPhone. 1 point. Very nice. And let's do one more. I'm to write down our key expression. What's the answer? I'm sorry to hear that. -1. I'm happy to hear that. +2. Awesome. Let's look at the homework together. Your homework has 3 parts. The first one is a voice note of your tongue twister. What is the tongue twister? Remember? Red blood, bad blood, red blood, bad blood, red blood, bad blood. 3 times. 3 times. Red blood, bad blood, red blood, bad blood, red blood, bad blood. The second thing is your notebook. I need a picture of your notebook from the game. The last thing is you need to fill in the conversation. So, Jane, put our key expression. Tell me, why is she crying? Tell me why. Then, what would you say? And let's look at the next one. Alex, key expression. Why is he happy? Do you understand? Awesome. Hopefully I will get to see you guys soon. Bye.